Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make cannellini bean and sardine salad. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for joining us today. I appreciate you being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and then share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making a cannellini and sardine salad. It's basically white beans and some sardines. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We have got 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. We've got 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, a little salt and pepper, 1 can of white beans drained and rinsed, half of a red onion that I've chopped up into a half of a julienne, 7-ounce can of sardines in oil, and then a little bit of chopped parsley. This is basically a pretty simple recipe. You just mix it all together. But we'll talk about that in a minute. Let me get a bowl. And you want a bowl big enough to put everything in and be able to stir without getting it all over the counter. So first thing I'm going to do is get the other camera set up. There we go. I even got it on. Cool. Alright, we get all this stuff out of the way here. There we go. There's your bowl. You want a bowl big enough for everything to be mixed up in without it getting all over your counter. First thing I'm going to do, drop our beans in there. Now when you are mixing it too, maybe I should put beans back. Let's try this. I want to make a point about the beans being very tender, and when you're stirring them up, you're mixing them, they'll break up. So let's add the other ingredients first and mix those up. And then we'll add the beans last. How's that? Onions, sardines with the oil. The sardines are going to break up as we stir, so we don't need to do that right now. I'll save the salt and pepper for last. Olive oil, parsley, a little squeeze of the, I'm going to take the seed out and just squeeze that in there. Got our lemon in. And we'll just mix that up. Break up our sardines. Already looks good. Lots of color. Red onions. So that's where we're at now. Get it all mixed up, separated. Then we'll add our beans, because they're very delicate. We don't want to break them up too much. Just gently stir these up. That is all there is to it. That is the salad. We're going to dress this up, make it look nice, put it in a different bowl, and take some pictures of it. When we come back, we're going to taste it. Don't go anywhere. Beautiful salad, very nice, balanced nutritionally. That's a little close up of it right there again. Just amazing. You can use it as a side dish. You can use it as a main dish. You can take the sardines out if you don't want to eat those in there. You can add and make this into a grain bowl, add some grain, brown rice, throw some seeds on top of it. Wonderful grain bowl. Add whatever you want to this. This is just a baseline to go with of what you want to do. You want to get plenty of nutrition in there. You can throw a little nutritional yeast in there too for your B12. But the sardines and the beans, very, very Mediterranean. We'll go ahead and give this a taste here so you guys can see what it tastes like. Again, there's that close-up. Like I said, those beans are so delicate, along with the sardines. They're just, the texture just melts in your mouth. You get the crispiness of the onion in there when you take that bite. Complements it wonderfully. A little bit of the I did salt and pepper this too. Before we went into this next stage, I did salt and pepper it, so that did not go to waste. The recipe for this is down in the description box in the first pinned comment. But remember, you can add whatever you want to this, delete whatever you want out of this, turn it into whatever you want. This is just a baseline. Terrific the way it is, but do your thing and make it however you want. I trust you, you're a great audience. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Yeah. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food.